We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. This is one of our favourite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our speciality. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.